How to change color of single word in CapCut Captions. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to change it. First step, after you generate your caption, now here is my caption. If I want to change the color of single word from the caption, I'll select all of the caption like this. After you highlight all the caption, so the next thing to do, you go to this option, template. After you go to the template, so for now I'm using this template. So if you want to change the single word color, you click on this one, the color, the quick. So I'll select this template, the quick.
The American Express Platinum card is...
So after you select this one, the quick, so you go to this basic at the top. After you select the basic, so here is the color, it says color. So click on this color option, and then now you select the color that you want to add for your single words in the caption. So for me, I want to use red. After you select the red like this, or you just scroll to down and select the color you want to use. After you select the color you want to use, so if you look at this option, now the color has been added to every single word in my caption. So now, as you can see now, if I play now the video, as you can see now, you just need to highlight all of them, and then as you can see now, all the caption, every single word now has this red color. So that's it, guys. If you want to change to another one, just select all of them. After you select all of them, then you go to this basic, and then you could select the color. Before you go to the color, make sure you go to the template and you select this one, the quick. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.